4, 3, 2, 1, go. Swap to 9 right, slippy. And 7 left, very slippy. Very slippy just there. And then 9 left down the hill. Now this will all be slippy because it's in the shadow. So open hairpin left. On you go, open hairpin right. And then 9 left. On you go, come on. 9 left. And then 9 right up the hill. That's it. 9 right up the hill. And then up to the top to hairpin left. Slippy. That's it. Slippy here, just careful. So 5 right and 5 left. And then 9 right, slippy. And then slight right through the gate. Up to 7 left, slippy. Careful here. 7 left. Up to the top when you go. To 9 left. Between the tyres. Careful. Then 9 right, very tight. You come in this side of the tyres. You're all right, you're all right. Then all the way up to the top, very slippy up here. Over the bump. Up to 7 left at the yellow sign. 7 left. And then 9 left through the gate, 9 left. Then long 9 right. Keep it going, don't left. When you go all the way to the end. That's it. And a hairpin left at the end. Just watch your braking. Hairpin left. And then like 6 left. 4 right. Up to chicane left entry. Chicane will be slippy because it's in the shadow. And then to the left for hairpin right. Chicane left entry. Another chicane left entry. On you go. Along the end. Through the gate to 9 left. 9 left. And then you're splitting left. And then it's 7 left. On you go. Then all the way at the end. Very slippy. Yeah. Long 7 right up the hill. Use the right line. On you go. That's it. And to the right for long hairpin left. Very slippy. On you go. Keep cool, keep cool. And then it opens just here. On you go now, go now. Go, 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 straight line. And very slippy chicane right entry. Go to the right hand side. So watch you braking through the dip. Yeah, that's fast. And then flat all the way to the hairpin. Well done. Brake a little bit later. That's it, there's 6 left and 4 right. On you go, on you go, on you go. Up to chicane left entry. And there's slippy coming out of it. And to the left for hairpin right. Chicane left entry, slippy here. Chicane left entry, slippy. That's it, on you go. Through the gate to 9 left. 9 left, then you're splitting left again. And then 7 left. Slippy. On you go. And then it's long 7 right. On you go. It was fine here, then it was slippy at the top.
Yeah.
So go now, stay right. Easy on the brakes for hairpin left. Easy on the brakes, use your gears. Use your gears, that's it. Long hairpin left, just be patient. Gently, 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 that's it. So stay to the right, and it's really quick chicane. Quick chicane.
Okay.
On you go. Yeah, it's almost flat. Flat to hairpin, keep it going, keep it going. Keep speed up all the way along. Right, really late. You're all right, keep cool. So 4 right, get it moving, get it moving. On you go. Chicane left entry. To the left for hairpin right. Chicane left entry, slippy. Chicane right in left entry, slippy. On you go, on you go, on you go. All the way at the end. Through the gate to 9 left. And go wide because you're splitting right.
Okay.
So 9 left, and then go wide. And then 6 right. And then flat to the finish. Gently in the gas. Gently, that's it. Well done.